Next, we also had the outreach sessions of IEEE Computer Society. Successively, we have the outreach session on IEEE Extreme. And the last day, we witnessed the hands-on session, or we can say a detailed workshop on the artificial intelligence at the edge. So these 3 weeks, the past 3 weeks, we basically have it's a mixture of all types of events: outreach session, mentoring session, workshop, and career guidance session, and whatnot. We also are like privileged, or we are also very much glad to have our section chair as one of our guest speaker in one of the events. So, so almost today is the last day of UTSAV ceremony, and like through this UTSAV ceremony, we basically celebrated the IEEE Day 2021. Our section chair. Also, we have celebrated the 70th year of anniversary of IEEE Computer Society. And I'm extremely glad and for all of your patients who were there throughout this journey, the participants, and also who are present here today amongst us. So again, once again, welcome to you all in this last day of our instruction ceremony. So we are also today very much glad to have our chapter IEEE Computer Society Student Branch Chapter Advisor, Professor Rajoshi Roy sir, with us. And we are extremely delighted that sir accepted our invitation and and today sir is here with us to share some of the key aspects of this UTSAV ceremony, and also what we have done throughout this year, that's what we have done in this IEEE CS chapter. So without without wasting any further delay, so let's start today's session. And please be with us today throughout because obviously today is a session where we are going to release the winner's name of this poster competition that we started in the beginning of the September. So please be with us throughout the session, and we are also the session has been live streamed throughout our official platforms and Facebook and YouTube. So whoever joined in those platforms, so please can ask any queries, any suggestions, or any feedback you would like to give to this to our volunteers. And also, like if you have any comments, you can also suggest. Right. So with this, let me welcome our guest speaker with us, Professor Rajoshi Roy sir. So it's a brief introduction of sir. So Dr. Rajoshi Roy sir received his PE degree with the first class honors in electronics and telecommunication engineering from Jadavpur University, Kolkata, West Bengal, India in 1992. An MSc in engineering degree in electrical communication engineering from IISc Bangalore, India in 1995. And PhD in electrical engineering from Polytechnic University, Brooklyn, New York, USA. Currently known as the New York University Tandon School of Engineering, NYU, in the year of 2001. He is currently working as an associate professor in the Department of Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, India. His research interests include queuing theory, Markov decision theory, 5G and 6G wireless communications, complex communication networks, massive MIMO, network coding, cooperative communication, cyber-physical systems, cognitive technology, etc. So, sir, once again, welcome to the UTSAV ceremony, and again, thank you for giving us the time from your on your busy schedule. So, just I would like to hand over the platform to you. Just please, can just proceed with the.
Devoshi, thanks for the introduction. Now I will present the essentially as a speaker the activities that this particular chapter was involved in. So basically the students also did help me to gather the data regarding this and the information regarding this, and based on all that this small report sort of thing is prepared. So I would like to share the same this one with everybody. So let me talk about it. So I wish you all a good afternoon to all the volunteers and the participants. And finally, we have come to the closing of this phenomenal event titled UTSAV 2021, which is the first ever of its kind. The journey was simply remarkable with all new sets of experiences. I hope all the participants have enjoyed all the sessions and, most importantly, learning a lot and getting key takeaways along with them. We simply cannot deny the importance of these kinds of events for the betterment of our society. Being the chapter advisor, I feel extremely proud of the team IEEE Computer Society Student Run Chapter IIT Kharagpur for delivering this wonderful series of events. The event UTSAV 21 was planned in late August and got the approval from IIT Kharagpur Section in early September. A great thanks to the executive committee members for accepting our proposal for the most interesting event of this year. I'm also grateful to all our volunteers whose consistent dedication makes this event possible. UTSAV 21, a 75th year anniversary celebration of IEEE Computer Society, has begun on 25th September 2021 with the keynote opening remarks of Professor Advay Mitra, who is the Student Activity Chair of IEEE KGP Section. We were fortunate enough to have Professor Sudeep Misra, Chair of IEEE Kharagpur Section, as one of our guest speakers on the day 2 of UTSAV 21. In UTSAV 21, the first ever event of this kind, IEEE CS SBC Kharagpur Section has brought to you an all-in-one experience in the celebration of IEEE Day 2021, IEEE Extreme 15.0, and the 75th anniversary of IEEE Computer Society. So, talking about a section, the IEEE KGP section is a vibrant section of IEEE that regularly organizes events to educate students of all around the globe, to familiarize students with technical knowledge, best practices of industrial and academic research, and various facilities that IEEE offers. Our section has many operating units like Control Society, EMBS, Women in Engineering, and many more. The Computer Society Student Run Chapter is the newest OU of our section. On behalf of the IEEE CSSBC, I would like to welcome you all to this final day of UTSAV 21 series and thank you all for being with us throughout this journey. We hope through UTSAV 21, the IEEE CSSBC have shared the ocean of information about various strategies in order to get a job in this tough situation using comprehensive career guidance sessions. UTSAV have also provided you with a complete overview of IEEE Extreme 15.0, explained the benefits of volunteering with IEEE CS, the poster design competition, and many more exciting things. The guidance session on academic and industry career in the new normal has given you all the clear concepts of how to adapt to a new normal situation for establishing a career in academics or industries. UTSAV 21 has also provided an extraordinary chance to represent your university on the national platform of IEEE CS SBC KGP section, as well as polish your networking skills. UTSAV 21 also brings you a unique poster design competition, which has given you the chance to win exciting prizes and a brand new t-shirt from IEEE CS SBC IIT KGP. In addition, this event also meets the expectation of creating innovation and serve the demands of the development of science, technology, and social culture, especially in the computer field. Yesterday, you all have witnessed the session on embedded AI at edge, applications and challenges, and hands-on session on AI on tiny edge devices. In UTSAV 21, you all got the chance to listen to some of our eminent IIT KGP alumni. The industry career guidance session during the new normal was delivered by Ms. Devarpita Sinha from MathWorks and Dr. Oritra Chatterjee from Shankho Labs. There were also webinars on academic research during the new normal consisting of Dr. Ayan Mandal, Dr. Sangita Dhara, and Dr. Orijit Roy. who are all pursuing postdoctoral research in various prestigious universities in Europe. In connection with the celebration of IEEE Day 2021, IEEE Extreme 15.0 Outreach, and IEEE Computer Society Outreach, IEEE CSSBC has presented several speakers. IEEE CSSBC Kharagpur Section presents a session on complete overview of IEEE Extreme 15.0, where Mr. Ketan Keshav has discussed the various aspects of participating in the IEEE Extreme 15.0. They have also organized an outreach program of IEEE CS named Benefits of Volunteering with IEEE Computer Society. A walkthrough of IEEE Computer Society by Mr. Shivam Ovilash. IEEE CS SBC KGP section has been working very hard, as usual, to deliver the maximum information to the participants. A special thanks to Mr. Deboshi Vasu, an extremely enthusiastic and energetic member of our branch, who is the convener of the event, and also our event management team, consisting of Ms. Oishwarya Chakraborty and Ms. Sricheta Paru. And most importantly, I simply cannot deny the overwhelming contributions of the volunteer team, Mr. Rajkishan Ghosh, Mr. Tutan Nama, Mr. Anupam Borodhakur, Mr. Abhishek Kumar, Mr. Saurabh Bishwas, Mr. Ms. Shukurna Das, Ms. Anjali Raj, Ms. Purnima Gautam, Mr. Debayan Bhattacharya, Mr. Dipankar Mandal, Mr. Deepak Nawada, Mr. Akshajit Bhattacharya, and Mr. Rakshit Satish, Mr. Shubhankar Chatterjee, whose tireless efforts and night-long hard work made this event possible. Their dedicated contributions have helped the content creation and designing of the event website and publicizing the event through social media, as well as technical and administrative issues. They have taken time out of their busy academic schedules to put the whole event going. I, on behalf of IEEE CSSBC, would like to thank them for their dedication, time, and efforts. I also express gratitude to our honorable speakers, judges, and especially volunteers. Without their generosity, we would not be able to create this platform to support your full participation. We are aware that there are still many shortcomings in organizing this event in the presentation, administrative services, and limited facilities as it is happening in virtual mode. Our team is working on all such aspects, and soon they will come back with upgraded solutions. Thank you all for your presence and participation. Your active contribution is highly appreciable, which also makes a strong impact on UTSAV 21 success. IEEE CSSBC IIT KGP is one of the most vibrant OUs of the IEEE KGP section. It has achieved a lot within a short span of time, and there are more to come. Previously, they have conducted distinguished lecture talks, keynote technical events with eminent IEEE fellows, and other world-renowned scientists. We have witnessed massive enthusiasm among the participants throughout this journey. This journey is far from ending and will flow forever. Okay, so now the most exciting session for which we are all waiting, the results of the poster design competition. So you all know that as per the guidelines of the session, the top 5 winners will be getting a golden opportunity to serve as IEEE CSSBC campus ambassadors in their institutes. And also their names will be featured in the official website of IEEE CSSBC IIT Kharagpur. Additionally, they will receive the IEEE CSSBC official branded t-shirt, a memento of recognition, and a winning certificate. But this is not it. The next top 5 winners will receive honorary mention certificates, and they still can avail themselves the chance to serve as the campus ambassador in their respective sections. The competition was tough. Our expert judges have finalized their decision considering the parameters to select the best 5 among the submissions. Those who cannot make it to the list, please do not be worried. We appreciate your efforts and willingness. The result won't challenge your ability in any way. Rather, select the best among the submitted ones. So without any further delay, let me announce the names of the top 5 winners of the poster design competition of UTSAV 21. And here is the list.
Yeah,
So
sir. I
top 5
guess you
winners
have the
are,
list. Yes, sir.
top 5 winners are Devashi, should you roll out the names? Okay, Arvind Kumar Gupta of IEEE Kharagpur Section. Next, G. Indumati of IEEE Madras Section. Gaurav Pathak of IEEE Delhi Section. Vikram Krishnakumar of IEEE Madras Section. And Prem Kumar of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, which was formerly known as WBUT, West Bengal, India. So these are the top 5 winners. And top 5 honorary mentions are Kalpita Nath of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Tanuj Saraf of IIT Kharagpur. Boishali Ghosh of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, which was formerly known as WBUT, West Bengal, India. Abhijit Kumar of Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, Karnataka, India. Joydeep Mahata, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, formerly known as WBUT, West Bengal, India. So
Yes, sir.
congratulations
That's
to all the winners, and the others who didn't get a prize. I mean, they shouldn't be disheartened. I mean, they should continue to appear in such competitions and programs, and at some point of time you will see that you are also somewhere. I mean, and you are indeed already somewhere. I mean, accordingly is the contributions. Thank you, Devarpita. Thank you, Devarshi.
Yeah, so thank you very much, sir, for just telling all the names of our winners, for giving the voluntary recognitions as well. So I would like to just present one small token of appreciation on behalf of IEEE CSSBC IIT KGP to you. So just let me share my screen. This small virtual token of appreciation on behalf of us to you for kindly accepting our invitation, giving us time also to just nicely summarize the entire journey of IEEE CSSBC throughout the year, as well as the UTSAV ceremony as well. So kindly accept
Thank you,
it.
Devarshi. Thanks for this. Thank you.
Thank you very
I
much,
to
sir.
thank all the students of the Computer Society and IIT KGP for, I mean, allowing me to be their advisor and taking, I mean, advices and suggestions from me. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So we are almost at the end of today's session. So obviously, I would like to thank all the volunteers and also the participants, and obviously, heartiest congratulations to all the winners who make it to the top 5. Obviously, exciting prizes are waiting for you, and also who cannot make it to the top 5 but still are the honorary mention. Your name is there, so obviously, many congratulations to you as well. All of your efforts and dedications are highly appreciated by all of our volunteers and also by us actually as the judges. So as a small request to the winners, if any of the winners are there today with us, we'd like to have a very small meeting that will be within the close circle of us. So like we would like to explain the role of the campus ambassador to you, the thing that you have to do throughout this academic year 2021 and 22. this coming session and the roles that we are going to play in your respective institution as the campus ambassador of IEEE CSSBC ITKG. So obviously, like I'd like to request you to please stay back in this same meeting and be with us. Obviously, this is a general suggestion to only the winners and also who are there in the honorary mention list. Obviously, you just missed the prizes this time, but obviously in the next time, I hope you'll get the prizes as well. So obviously, you know that what are there in the prize list. So it's a kind of very exciting prize list. Obviously, the most attractive thing is the voluntary, the branded T-shirt of official T-shirt of IEEE CSSBC. So anyway, like don't get disheartened that you missed it, but your hard work and dedication obviously should pay in the future as well. So if you'd like to be the campus ambassador role, if you'd like to serve as a campus ambassador role, so we still are considering the position of the honorary mention candidates or the participants. If you'd like to serve, you can do it. Okay. Obviously, similar way, there are separate certification will be done for those who will serve and will fulfill all the criteria of the campus ambassador. And the winners are automatically enlisted in the campus ambassador list. But the honorary mention, if you'd like to still join this campus ambassador program, are always welcome. So the certification for this campus ambassador role for both the winners and the honorary mention participants are the same. So that is that is a suggestion from you, and obviously I'd like to request all the winners to kindly stay back once the event ends, right? So I think it is clear to all of you. So before I end the session officially, any volunteers or any participants present here would like to share anything, like having any questions, any suggestion, any feedback, please, like the floor is open. You can just unmute yourself and can just share your experience with us.
It was a wonderful journey, I must say. And congratulations to all the winners of poster design competition. I hope all of you have enjoyed as well as learned something from this event. And once again, I would like to thank you as the event convener for continuous support. And we thank you for being with us. It has remained a pronounced pleasure. Have a great day. Thank you.
Let me just pronounce the name once again, and just I don't know whether the winners are there here with us or not. So let me tell the name once again. So Arvind Kumar Gupta is there.
Yeah, yes, I'm here. Hello.
Okay, so next Indumati is there.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, great. So then Gaura Pathak. Yes, Gaura Pathak is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So Vikram Krishna Kumar. So Vikram is there. And
yes,
Prem,
Yes.
Vikram is there. Okay. And Prem Kumar. So these are the winners. So I'd like to request all of you to kindly stay back and like we'll have a small meeting with you. We'll explain the roles of the campus ambassador, the thing we are going to play for this coming session. So let's move on to the honorary mention. So this is not a mandatory, but it's up to your choice. Obviously the floor is also open. Like the 5 honorary mention participants would like to still have the chance to serve as a campus ambassador. So let me say the name of those those winners. If any of you are there, you can just stay back with us after this session. Okay. So Kalpita Nath.
Devushita, our flight is so
Yes,
she will
sir.
not be
Hello.
available.
Okay. Yeah. So Kalpita is there. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir. So I won't be there because my network won't be there, but I will be participating, serving in that position.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Great.
But sir, I need to leave right now because I have flight now. So
Okay, Kalpita, no
okay.
need to worry. So you can catch up catch up any of
Later. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Bye, sir. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. So Boishali Ghosh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Abhijit Kumar. Then Joydeep Mehta. Okay, so a few of the honorary mention participants are here. So great. So I'd like to request all of you to kindly stay back since once the event ends, we'll have a very small chat. So maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I will just share with you the role you are going to play. And obviously, there will be a separate certification that is not including in the UTSAV, but that is a separate certification will avail. Obviously, once you serve the entire process or the duties or the roles you can play, obviously after you play successfully, that will be delivered to you separate. Okay? So yeah, so if no one is having any further question or anything, so I think we can end this session. Yeah, so anyone would like to say?
Doshi, is it required that I will have to stay here, or you can manage, you and Sricheta can manage?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can manage the rest. So if you if you
I
have
have
any other,
some other thing I have to do. I mean,
sure. No.
And I mean, meanwhile, I mean, if possible, I can come back also. Okay, if it continues
Yes.
for some time, like 30 minutes or 40 minutes or so, I might come back also. But I just need to, leave for some time, and then maybe I can come back.
Okay, sure, sir. Almost we are done. So this is the last slide of the entire UTSAV event. So we'll be ending here itself. Yes. And if like it's now the floor is open for discussion. So if any of the participants would like to give any feedback or any suggestion, any queries, questions that we can address. And obviously, sir, if you have you would like to say anything else, you can share with us, or we can end the event.
No, it's all right. I almost explained, I mean, all the things that I was supposed to explain based on all the informations that was provided by the everybody and the participants. And we would like to share this with all participants is that work hard and learn new things. And you will also learn a lot of things in terms of, intellectual satisfaction, like a spiritual, philosophical satisfaction. And from that point of view, also, if you look at it, I mean, becoming a part of IEEE and participating the events organized by the same, etc., is always, I mean, it's a plus. I mean, it's always going to offer you something, enrich you by something. Thank you. So I would like to, stop here. And she can conduct the rest of the discussion.
Yes, sir. Before you leave, we'd like to take a small group photo.
Achha.
Okay, so I'd like to request all the participants, volunteers, and also whoever would like to be in the frame, just kindly turn on the camera, and we'd like a very quick photo session before sir leaves. So I request Shupanda and Shourabh to kindly take a snap, and please let us know once it's done.
It's done now. Thank you.
Okay, great. Yeah, so thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you, Rajoshi sir, for joining. So please, the volunteers and the winners, please stay back. Yes. So others, other participants or whoever would like to have any suggestion or queries can stay. Otherwise, we are just officially closing this event. So any other apart from the volunteers and the winners, I would like to request all other participants to kindly leave this meeting. Yeah, so we'll have a very small discussion regarding the Campus Ambassador program, and obviously, I'd like to congratulate all the winners your for winning this competition and also your hard work and whatever the dedication that you have shown in this competition. So Ashwarya, can you kindly just confirm me whether should we go or not? So all the volunteers and participants are there. Just please let me know when
Yes,
should
I
I.
think you can go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. So all the winners obviously then are here today. So again, like congratulations on behalf of IEEE Specialty KGP for winning this competition, and all the exciting prizes are waiting for you. And those who cannot make it to the top 5, please don't get disheartened, because this is just single opportunities, and there's ever-ending opportunities, right? So there's the hard work or the failure or the success doesn't mean, obviously the mean is that it only means that your contribution and your try, like you just your effort actually, so that thing matters. So that is the thing that I would like to say. So you'll be receiving one. All the winners will be receiving one form actually. Like there will be have to give all your details and addresses, etc. So where we'll dispatch your winning gifts, and also like you will be included automatically to this to our community to serve as the campus ambassador. So our team will contact you separately on this matter. So you'll be automatically included into that group. So now I'd like to give you a very small, very brief overview of regarding your job that you're supposed to do for this next session. Okay, the session will be starting from 2021 November. Like the SBC journey of the new slate in our section. So there you'll be contributing throughout the year, and obviously at the end of your the tenure, depending on your service, depending on your contribution, one separate certification will be there. Obviously for your role as a campus ambassador on behalf of us in your respective academic institution. Okay, and obviously all your names will be featured through our official websites, and I hope. I guess some of the participants participated in some of the sessions, or maybe all of the sessions. So I hope you enjoyed there as well. So coming to the point of the role of campus ambassador, obviously some of you may be experienced enough, you know many things, and some of you may be new. So those who are experienced, for them it will be a kind of revision, just to check out your skills once again. And for those who are new, then for them it's like a whole lot of opportunity to learn many things. So being a campus ambassador, your primary role will be to promote our chapter throughout your organization or your institution or your IEEE section. So what you will be doing is that you will be preliminarily promoting our session. You are absolutely open to bring the participation from your section, and obviously you are automatically will be participating in all of the coming events, like